Here's something I see more often than I should. A family calls me because their mom or dad needs home care. We have a great conversation. We figure out the right care plan after a visit, and then they say, "Oh, wait, I think my family has a long term care insurance policy somewhere." And then everything stops while they try to figure out what that policy actually covers, how to activate it, and whether it's still valid. Don't let that be your family. This video is going to give you a 5-minute head start. My name is Kreisler, and I'm the owner of Right at Home Long Beach, a home care agency located here in Long Beach, California. Now, to be clear, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I an insurance agent, but I've helped enough families navigate the care journey that I know exactly where long-term care insurance fits in and where families get tripped up. So first, what is long-term care insurance and who has it? Long-term care insurance, or LTC, it's commonly called, is a policy that was designed specifically to help cover the cost of care when someone can no longer fully care for themselves. That includes home care, assisted living, memory care, and nursing home care. A lot of these policies were sold in the 1990s and 2000s, which means if your parent is in their 70s or 80s right now, there's a real chance they have one sitting in a filing cabinet somewhere that hasn't even been thought of in years. The policies vary a lot. Some pay a flat daily benefit, say $150 to $200 a day toward care cost. Others reimburse actual expenses up to a monthly maximum. Some have inflation riders that have increased the benefit over time. The details matter enormously, so the first step is always find the policy and read it. Here's the part most families just get a little too late to. Almost every long-term care insurance policy has what's called an elimination period. Think of it like a deductible, but measured in time, not dollars. It's typically 30, 60, or 90 days of paid care before the insurance benefit kicks in. That means your family may need to pay out of pocket for the first 1 to 3 months of care before the policy starts reimbursing anything. Knowing this in advance changes everything, of course. It means you plan for it, you budget for it, and you don't get blindsided when the bills arrive and the insurance company hasn't paid yet. Now, does long-term care insurance cover home care? In most cases, yes, but there's usually a trigger. Most policies require what's called an ADL trigger, meaning your loved one must need help with at least 2 activities of daily living, like bathing, dressing, or mobility, in order to qualify for benefits. Or they may qualify through a cognitive impairment trigger, which covers conditions like Alzheimer's or dementia. This is actually where working with a professional home care agency matters. When we assess a new client and document their care needs, that documentation can directly support an LTC claim. We've helped families here in Long Beach pull together exactly what their insurance company needs to approve and activate benefits. The same generally applies to assisted living. Most policies cover it as long as the facility meets the policy's licensing requirements. So here's your action plan. Whether care is urgent right now or still years away, 1, find the policy. Look in filing cabinets, safe deposit boxes, or ask your parents' financial advisor or attorney if they have a copy on file. 2, call the insurance company and confirm the policy is active and in good standing. Policies can lapse if premiums haven't been paid, or you want to know that now, really, right? If they haven't been paid, not during a crisis. 3, understand the daily or monthly benefit amount, the elimination period you're looking at, and the ADL triggers. These 3 things will tell you almost everything you need to know about how and when the policy pays. 4, when you're ready to set up care, tell your home care agency upfront that you have an LTC policy. A good agency like ours will help you navigate the claims process, even submit the claims for you, document care properly, and make sure you're getting every dollar that that policy is worth. Long-term care insurance is one of the most valuable and most understood benefits a family can have. The families who get the most out of it are those, quite frankly, understand it before they actually need it or need to activate it. If your loved one is here in Long Beach or is in locally surrounding cities and communities and need home care soon, and you think you might have a long-term care insurance policy in the picture, reach out to us. We're happy to help you think through the timeline, the documentation, and ultimately what to expect. And as always, if you found this helpful, please share it with someone, like it, because I promise you there are families out there sitting on a policy that they don't even know how to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.